Hey guys, welcome back to my channel to another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today it's all about comfort food and this episode starts right now. Hey guys, here are the ingredients for our shredded chicken tortilla soup. We have a 28-ounce can of crushed tomato, a small can of hominy, white hominy, a small can of cooked kernel corn, yellow corn, a small can of drained black beans. We are going to use a teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, paprika. We have a tablespoon of oregano, a teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. We've got, for garnish, some whole sliced jalapenos. Then I have some de-seeded jalapenos right here, which are going to go in our soup. A lime, these adorable street corn tortillas. They're called street tacos. Beautiful little tortillas. A small can of green chilies. 2 Hass avocados. We have 1 Roma tomato, which I love to add a little freshness to it. We have a large yellow onion. Small diced green pepper. We have about a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh cilantro, 2 green onions. We have garlic, 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder, our shredded chicken, you guys, and we're gonna add 2 cups of water to that. I'll meet you at the stove and let's get cooking. Hey guys, I'm back. Weren't those ingredients beautiful? Now we're here at the stove. Now I'm gonna grab a 1.5 tablespoons of some VO juice, vegetable oil. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to cook our onions, turn the light on, our green peppers, which I love so much, and our garlic, our 3 cloves of garlic. So now guys, I'm going to grab my famous wooden spoon that I love so much, and we're going to stir this up. Now, in order to make these translucent, I'm going to grab my onion, teaspoon of onion, garlic powder, onion powder. We're going to go ahead and stir that up real quick. It'll take like 2 or 3 minutes and they'll become translucent. This is so delicious, you guys. So easy to make and so delicious. You can freeze this for up to 3 months if you have any left over. Yum, yum. Now I'm also going to add my fresh de-seeded jalapeno. It's awesome when you start sauteing it with your onions, guys, and you can smell that fragrant smell, that jalapeno. Woo, love it. So when I come back, we're going to add the rest of our spices, and then we're going to add our crushed tomatoes, and you guys, yum, yum. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back for a minute. Oh, I love that fragrant smell of those fresh jalapenos. My goodness, it smells so good. Alright. Now we are going to add our paprika, teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano. I have 2 teaspoons of chili powder. 2 teaspoons of chili powder and 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon powder. Okay, so now what I'm going to do with this is, I mentioned previously, it was a 1.25 cups of water. That's incorrect, because if you use chicken stock and you do the math plus a 1.25 cups, it totals 4 cups of water. So I have that right here. So I'm going to do this right now. Oh my God, this smells so good, you guys. Let me show you. It smells so fragrant in here. I can hear my husband asking what I'm cooking. Oh boy. All right, we are going to add our can of crushed tomatoes. This is so easy and so delicious, you guys. All right. So let's stir that baby up. All right, guys. Now we're going to move it aside, because you guys know as well as I do that tomato in the pan, when it's on high heat, when you're like sweating your onions or whatever you're doing, starts bubbling up. And it'll make your apron all full of tomato and it can hit you in the face. So I remove it for a second. Now guys, I'm going to add, wait a minute. I'm going to add a can of mild green chilies. Yum. Yum, yum. Oh, I love green chilies. Green chilies are so delicious, mainly. So we've got our green chilies. We have our fresh tomatoes. I always like to add, even though a big can of crushed tomatoes, I always like to add a little bit of freshness. We're going to take half of our cilantro and we're going to save I love cilantro, you guys. It's so delicious. I don't know if you guys love it, but I love it. All right, we'll do that. We have our green onions over there for garnish. And we're going to add this. I'm going to stir it. Oh, look at this, you guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now I'm going to add my 4 cups of water. I'm going to add my 4 cups of water now. Stir that up really nice, real quick. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower your heat to 1 before medium. And let's put our lid on it for about 15 minutes. We're going to simmer it. Right here, we're going to simmer that for about 15 minutes, you guys. And I'll be back. And when I come back, we are going to add our corn, black beans, and hominy, and our shredded chicken. And you guys, you don't want to miss this. It's so yum, yum, and so hearty. And we're also going to make tortilla strips to garnish on top of some delicious fresh avocado. Yum, yum. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and it has been simmering for 10 minutes. Check that out. Wow. That is just absolutely beautiful. Now, guys, we're going to add our vegetables. So I'm going to grab our corn, our black beans, and our white hominy. So let's carefully put that in. We don't want to splatter anything. Very carefully put it in. Oh my God. Oh my God, that looks beautiful. We're going to put that in. We are going to squeeze a whole lime in here. Wait, let me grab my little lime squeezer. Don't forget, you guys, it goes top side up, and be careful it doesn't splatter on you. Look at that. You guys see all that juice? Oh my God, that is so cool. Normally you put it down like this when you're squeezing a lime, but no, this is the right way to do it. So this will grab it. You just got to be careful you don't get. Look at that. Watch. Woo! That's what I call a super lime squeeze. All right, so we got that. Now we're gonna stir this beauty up. Oh my God, it's starting to look so delicious, guys. We're gonna simmer for about another 10 minutes. I'm gonna put our chicken in there. Our beautiful chicken breast. I cooked it for about, I boiled it for about 15 minutes, and with 2 tablespoons of lemon. So it's easier to shred because acid tenderizes everything. Oh my God. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow, my mouth is watering right now. This thing is not even ready yet. It's so beautiful. You guys see how beautiful that's starting to look? Wow, hearty and delicious. Now I'm going to cover this up, guys, for about another 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. We're going to let this simmer. Put it on 1 before, let's put it 1 before medium. For 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to play it by ear. I already tasted the beginning simmer. So good. Now with all the veggies and with the chicken, so delicious. So when I come back, you guys, these are so adorable. These little street taco tortillas. I guess they're new because I've never seen them that small. We're going to cut some into strips. We're going to flash fry them in the frying pan. And we are going to top our soup with our crunchy tortilla strips, some beautiful slices of Hass avocado, some fresh jalapeno slices with the seeds in them. If you don't like that spicy, you can omit the avocados, the jalapeno slices, but we like a little spicy. So, and we're going to also garnish with our green onion and some more cilantro. I mean, beautiful garnish. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I will be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Our soup is ready. Can't wait till you see that in the bowl. So beautiful. Oh my God. I have my avocados cut here, and look what I did. Wanted to show you. The lemons that I squeezed for the soup, I put them on top. What does anybody know why? You guys remember? So the avocado doesn't turn brown. So we have those here. Now I'm going to get probably about, let's do 5 little street tacos, and we're just going to slice them into strips. That's all we're going to do. Just small, thin strips, about 1/4 of an inch thick. And we need, in our frying pan, in our hot frying pan, about 1/4 of an inch of VO juice in there, vegetable oil. Okay, cutting these into strips. This will be done in no time, like right away, you guys. Right away. Let's grab our napkins, put our napkins on our plate, so that way we can take our tortilla strips and take them out right away. Kind of like flip. It's really quick making tortilla chips. Okay, guys, so here is our oil. I want to test it with a tortilla strip. If you see it bubbling, which I do, we're going to drop them in. And this will flash fry in no time, you guys. Do you see that? I'm just dropping those in there. Such a beautiful garnish and so delicious with this. I'm also going to take my saran wrap, and I'm going to go ahead and heat up a few of these mini tortillas in the microwave to go with our soup. You are just not going to believe how beautiful, how incredibly beautiful this presentation is going to be. You'll love it. Alright, so here we go. Our tortillas are starting to, our little strips. It's a beautiful garnish and so tasty, and it adds so much texture. The soup has a lot of texture, but that crunchy element is what it needs. I'm going to finish flash frying these beautiful strips. I mean, these will cook in no time. And when I come back, you guys, we're going to plate and taste. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Hey, guys, I'm back, and look at this, you guys. With the fresh tortillas, we have some warm tortillas here. The mini street tortillas. Oh, my God. Here goes nothing, you guys. It's hot. God. I'm going to put this in my mouth after. Okay, here goes. Holy moly. God, so good. Just to make sure. And I got one of my little street tortillas. I'm going to roll it up. It's nice and soft. Look at this. So good. Wow. Here goes. Sorry. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, that hominy and that jalapeno in the back of your throat, and the creaminess of that avocado. I have zero words. This is so delicious. This is one of the most delicious soups I've ever made. This and the other video that I have, that you'll see it up there in the caption, the short rib soup. Oh my God. This is so delicious and tastes so traditional. Oh my God. Remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. And if not, feel free to subscribe. And don't forget the notification bell, so that way you don't miss any episodes. And as always, you guys, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back, and I will see you guys then. Take great care. Bye.